Adore me, say let's go around the real spin, this is spin that. It's us against the real me, tell picture that.
So today is part 2 of my New Orleans vlog. I'm currently at some type of restaurant. I don't know. But yes, this is the outfit of the day. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get inside. Okay, YouTube, so let me show y'all. Okay, so I've never had a cappuccino. This is my first time, so I'm excited to try it. It's bitter. What is bitter? I think some sugar in it out. Okay, so I'm back. It tastes much better now. It tastes much better now. Okay, YouTube, so we are at an aquarium. Oh, look at this. I don't know, but they are so pretty. And they're real? Yes, this is real. See what you touch this. Oh my God, it was something.
That's a shark. How you get over there?
I ain't worried about how you get over there. I wouldn't want to go over there. It look like sharks and like eels or something. And turtles. That's a big turtle? That's a big turtle.
How do you get down there though? Oh my god.
That is such a big turtle.
And that's a shark right there chilling. How do you
Hey guys, so we just came from this little movies. It was cute or whatever, kind of boring, but it was cute. It was a 3D movie. So where are we going next? Sightsee. To sightsee. So we'll see you guys when we're sightseeing. So I'm back where I was yesterday because I saw a readings place here with like people read you and like tell you like your future and stuff. So I'm coming here to look for that so I can get one. See, as you can see, I'm right where I was yesterday.
Right hand, your dominant palm is more accurate. Wow, this is your lifeline. You have a long lifeline. You're going to live to your middle 90s.
She's gonna do
Long life. Strong lifeline. You're healthy. You will stay. No major health issues. You have a long lifeline. This is your headline, intellect. It was a very long intellect line. You're very intelligent. And most times you're proud of what you know. You make choices, you make decisions, you earn somewhere. That doesn't come easy. There's a price. So you're proud of what you want. This is your heart. You have a very good heart. Unfortunately, that one does not always work to your benefit. People do take advantage of you here. And you do get angry at them when they do it. But you get more angry at yourself for letting them get away. You won't change that much. You'll always give somebody one more chance. And really, not the worst quality anybody can have. This area is the whole financial side of life. Now that affects everything material. Careers in there, money's in there, property, possessions, it all gets affected over here. You've been working through some minor struggles in this area. They're nothing you're creating, everybody has. They're the struggles of you. It's called school. Okay, they're ending within the next year. When they end, they won't be back. Financial future is very good. You have a lot of success lines. You are never going to worry financially. You're going to be comfortable, stable, successful. And that's good. Living to your 90s, you want to be comfortable. One marriage. That's about 5 to 7 years in the future. And you'll get it right the first time. It's a good marriage. It's the one that'll last the rest of your life. It's happy, it's stable, and it's content. 4 children.
Oh my gosh.
It was all good up to there, wasn't it? Now, they can be your own, they can be adopted, or they can be stepchildren. You'll raise 4 children. You don't necessarily have to have 4 children. 9 grandchildren. Good thing you're going to be successful. 9 grandchildren, and those lines you can develop more of as the children make their life decisions. But you don't lose any. There'll be at least 9. And it looks like your first 2 grandchildren is a possibility of twins. Now, twins are genetic. Do they run in your family?
The person I'm talking to right now.
Okay, showing up in your
Ain't no
grandchildren,
kid
which is
talking
great.
about no time
Spoil
soon.
them and send them home. Your line of destiny runs completely through your heart. You live your
Your
life.
kids, you grown and
People
married.
take advantage of you, and that's the downside. But on the other side, you have a very good intuition. You have a good instinct. And you have a creative side. Your best careers, teaching, counseling, any healthcare field, and any art. Everything, creative or artistic or people related, is going to be rewarding. That's what I can tell from your mom. What do you do for a living? Are you still in school? What do you want to do?
Well, I was thinking about nursing or being a realtor, where I want to start. I'm making my own shop.
Now that's creative, okay, because you have to think creatively, and a realtor is people-oriented, and of course, healthcare field is all here. Any of those would make you
Can
happy.
you tell the gender of my first child? Like, you think you could guess
At what? How long?
that? The gender of my first child.
Let me take a look. It's like this, you have three that will be the same, and one that will be different. The one that's different is the fourth child. So it's either 3 girls and 1 boy, or 3 boys and 1 girl. You're doing well. You're doing very well. And you don't get the twins, which is good.
That's it?
So I will be successful. Will I travel a lot?
Maybe a little bit. Not a whole lot. Okay? But you can do a little bit.
I think that's
You're
All
doing well.
right.
Where are you folks visiting from? So you've had some of this winter bipolar weather? Up and down, up and down, up and down.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So I just did a reading, and oh my gosh, they keep saying that junk is not real, but it is real. Because the stuff she was telling me about myself was like true things that was like actually true. She told me like what like I was interested in doing in my future, which was true. She didn't say nothing about YouTube. I was gonna ask her, but I didn't think that she was gonna really be able to do that. But no, like the things she told me, like they sounded so accurate, y'all. Like oh my gosh, that's real. Here's what I got.
Oh, sleep behind my seat.
Looks so good.
So
Sick. I don't know if it's because like my body is like adapting to this weather, whatever. I'm so sick. I can't even eat. I know, but I was getting better. But then I got here and my throat started hurting. I'm always sick.
You always sick.
I know. I get sick like every week. Like, guys, we are going to some freaking. They're getting ice cream, but I'm not because I already had cheesecake, so I don't need ice cream.
Mandy's on the cabinet if you need to look at on each side. If you need to know what we sell.
I feel so nauseous. Like, I feel like I have to throw up. I have a headache. I have to go to the restroom. All that, like, I don't know what's wrong with me. But like I said, I'm always sick, so. I just got back into the room. I got me a charger and I got me a birthday outfit. And my mom also got me some medicine, which I don't know why she got me pills because she know I did not take pills. But she got me this to, I guess, open up my nose, but I really need it. I have to pee so freaking bad, but I had some good food
I
today.
gave it to her.
Oh, you really? I had some good food today. Yesterday, the first place we went to was not good at all. It was horrible. But, yeah. I'll see y'all in a few minutes so y'all can see what my night routine is going to be. Okay, y'all, so I'm finna finish my food and start working on another chapter for my book. And that's about it.
Look at these. She wrong for that.
What? Let me see. Oh god. But yeah, you guys. So gonna take some of this medicine. Like I said, finish working on the chapter, take a shower, and finish some of our leftovers from earlier. We had saw these homeless people when we were coming up, and they had asked us for some food. They said they didn't even want one, they just wanted food, so we gave them some of our food. The food was 8 and all. They still didn't care. They said they just wanted some food. So my mom gave them some food. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. I don't think I'm gonna do a part 3 because, well, I don't know, because I'm going home tomorrow. But you know, it all depends on if I do something tomorrow. But yes, that is it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.